Hey everybody, this is UAV Waffle with another Hermitcraft 3D print. This time I 3D printed Xisumavoid's sheep house. I think that's what it was. He has like a sheep farm with a bunch of upside down sheep underneath. I'm not entirely sure. I didn't start watching Hermitcraft until season 6. So I actually spent quite a while trying to find whose it is. So anyways, this one was printed without any support, so the building's actually entirely empty. Everything he has inside is in there. Anyway, so let me get it focused. There's a little tree in the front. See if I can get it, but see, look, the windows on it are open. And also got the side here. Let me rotate it some. Also got the back section. You can see his little storage thing right there in the center. There's a little stairs to get in. And that's about it. Bye.